Okay, please pause so you can read the introduction of this video because I forgot to record it. I am going to get started with the SheGlam 100-180 buffer file, and I'm going to buff all my nails. As you can tell by the thumbnail, I am taking a different approach as to how my nails are looking. After this, I'm going to go on with the SheGlam Nail Prep Dehydrator, and I'm going to dehydrate my nails. This helps to dry out your nails per usual. After that, I'm going to go on with the nail primer, and I'm going to prime all my nails. This step is very easy, as easy as 1, 2, 3, and I'll link the kit in the description box below. This step is different. I go on with the Maybelline's Builder Nail Gel. This I had learned that if you put this on, it doesn't damage your nail bed itself, and you'll see in a later clip that it melts like crazy. It's truly amazing. And as you see here, I am curing the Builder Nail Gel for 60 seconds. One coat and you are good to go. I'm now going to buff that top layer using the same buffer file that I mentioned earlier, just that way the other products are able to saturate on there. And then I'm using the nail prep dehydrator again, and I'm going to coat over the Builder Nail Gel so that way my nails stay on further. I've done this before, and I can tell you that my nails have stayed on for a pretty long time. I'm going to go back in with the nail primer again by SheGlam, and I'm going to prime my nails. And then for this next clip, I'm going to be using the X-Coat Tips 3-in-1 Soft Gel System. And these are the short nail tips. What you're seeing me doing is going in, trying out the nail sizes, and I'm matching them based on what they are. And again, you want to make sure to file the inside of these nails because they don't come buffed out or matte. Meaning if you put it on like that, it's just going to fall off. Trust me, I've done it before. Now what you see me doing is applying the nail gel by SheGlam in the cuticle area, or the nail bed area, pardon me, and then I'm going to put on the nail in a 45-degree angle. I'm going to make sure to link my very first Gelix video in the cards above so you can really see the process. I'll tell you, curing these nails was very difficult. It was a chore having to cure it. It was just not okay. It was very hard, to say the least. But it looks really good, as you can tell by my thumb. So now I'm just showing you the process very quickly, but this is just me doing it on my left hand. In this video, why it's so quick, I'm showing how I do it on one hand and one hand only. But going back to the nails, it was very difficult. So I'd recommend, if you want short nails, buy the longer ones and then you cut it with a nail clip and then design and go from there. I decided to go around, and then so with this one, my nail was messed up, so I filed it down and you could tell it was messed up, but everything else was all set, ready to go. And I decided to cure the rest of my hands for 60 seconds, and then I was all set to go. And so I'm just filing around the cuticles. Again, I'm not going to do my middle finger because that one was lifting and I again messed up, and I filed off the whole top part. Like, that mess melted like crazy. So for the future, I'll just know to file around a cuticle and not mess with the top area if I want to leave that part white. Now I'm just cleaning off my hands, and I'm using the SheGlam top coat, and I'm going to apply the coat on top of this nail. I can tell you the top coat works so much better than the foundation coat because I tried it before and it was horrible. I'm going to cure my hands for 60 seconds so that way everything is nice and smooth for the next process that you're going to see me do, which I'm going to be using the Born Pretty gel color, and this is in BPJR03, and this is a reflective nail polish. I bought it in a pack, but I decided to choose this color because I felt it works best and it's more appropriate with the nail bed color that is on the Gelix nail itself. And of course, per usual, I'm going to cure this for 60 seconds. It is very quick, very easy. And then I'm going to go in with this Modelone's Gel Art liner, and I'm going to coat the white tip with this silver glitter. I decided to put a little spin on it, knowing that it was New Year's, and I wanted it to be a little sparkly, a little pretty, and plus to where the white tip came, it was just, I wasn't really feeling it, so I decided to add a little pizzazz to it. My next nail design, however, it will be a lot fun, but it'll still be the same nail length. But if you do have any requests in regards to any gel nail designs or Gel X polygel, let me know in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to do that. I'm going to cure my tips for 60 seconds, and then after I do that, you're going to see in the clip that's coming up next, I'm going to apply my Beetles top coat. That is an OG. I'm going to apply a thin coat, and then you're going to see how I put it underneath the lamp for 60 seconds. Again, first time working with short Gel X. Would I do it again? I don't know, maybe for the winter seasons, but for the future I would just stick with the long Gel X nails and then just cut it and then go from there. But this is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, that's all I have. That's my nails. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.